Physiotherapist, hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Retail Therapy.
Thank you.
Thanks for being with us today. Now, I said I've got the sort of sore knee, which is a common problem, certainly with ageing and sporting injuries, arthritis, all those sorts of things. Are they the sort of common things that occur?
Yes, certainly. Knee pain is quite a common injury we see in practice. Often knee pain can be coming in for many different reasons, but we do definitely have solutions to help people with knee pain, understanding the underlying cause. But in fact, with bracing, we often really create some good pain relief for a lot of sufferers.
Okay, because that's what we're talking about today. We're talking about a knee brace. It's not just any knee brace. This is brand new, technologically advanced knee relief knee brace. So I've got it here in my hands, specifically designed to alleviate the pain and discomfort of soft tissue trauma. So if you're a bit like me and your knees play out from time to time, and you're not sure why, but you need that extra support, that's what this is all about. We're going to go through the features and benefits of the product in just a moment, because it really is technologically advanced. So let's start with the obviously the design here, Corey. Now, this is, to me, the obvious thing is that you can, it's not a one piece. You can remove this. It's not connected like the old knee pads where you slide them up and down. They're awkward to get on and off.
Exactly. So it eliminates all the effort that you have to put in to pull the knee brace up into your brace. So the straps are there to eventually create adjustability. They're also there to be able to create some level of support, and with support comes confidence. So for a knee pain sufferer, confidence is very important, especially if they're going to wear this when they're actually doing some activity. Taking the dogs for a walk, we're going for a nice, midday stroll. It's an excellent product.
That's what I was just thinking. Like, so this would be perfect if you're struggling a little bit to do a few things. As we age, things get a little bit more difficult. Tasks like that. So it's comfortable enough to wear all day, easy enough to apply because you've got this Velcro here on, so you can adjust it to the pressure that you need, and it's also easy to put around the back of the knee, around the front of the knee, exactly where you need it. Let's talk about the material that it's made of.
So it's made out of neoprene, which is basically quite stretchy. Again, that stretchy factor will give you that adjustability, that customized fit that a lot of people look for. Because knees come in different shapes and sizes, especially if it's swollen. What it does is it's quite larger in size, so that adjustability, that compressive type quality of the material will allow that support and help the swelling get alleviated.
Some double stitching there too, so it looks very strong and durable. This will literally last years, won't it?
It will last years, yes, and it's quite washable with machine as well, so even if you wear it through sport,
We've got our lovely model Hayley wearing it on her knee today. So let's talk about soft tissue trauma. How does it, I mean, we've spoken about sports injuries, but what else would cause soft tissue trauma?
Well, I mean, in terms of soft tissue trauma, I think a lot of overuse activities. So if you have some level of dysfunction in your chain, you will create some repetitive strain injury at the knee, which will then create inflammation and swelling.
So what about kneeling in the garden or squatting, that sort of thing, out in the yard, doing that sort of thing? I mean, look, I got mine from years of cycling and running, and that's so on my left knee particularly, I often feel the need for support in this, and this would be fantastic to have because, again, I don't have to reach all the way down to my ankle and pull it on. I can just strap it around. From a seated position.
Definitely.
Hayley, you applied that. You found it very easy to do that today because it's got that wonderful Velcro, of course. Now, I just need to talk about what we've got in the middle here. And this is the technological advancement I was talking about here. We have ceramic fibres in here. So can you tell me where the benefit of the ceramic fibres?
The ceramic fibres basically have they do three things. One of the things that they do is they eventually create a bit of friction, so this knee doesn't slide from the anterior surface or the front surface of the knee. Okay. And the other thing that it does as well is hypoallergenic. So a lot of us, when we wear it during sport, we do sweat through the knee as well. So this will then create it'll reduce the incidence of any allergies or create redness. So essentially, it's quite good with that. And the other thing that's quite interesting with the ceramic fibers is to retain heat. So all of us who have a stiff knee, so osteoarthritic knees, degenerative knees, the properties of ceramic will retain heat within the knee joint and then create a little bit of that mobility feeling.
You're geting the benefit of that heat therapy then?
Yes.
As you wear it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
I love it. I mean, look, as I said, it's a clever design.